Ọhaneze ndị Igbo ekenekwa m. Hey, nke na-eme na asị na Jpac atụọ mmadụ na alụsị. Okwu adị na Igbo n'isi. Okwu adị na Igbo n'isi. So before nju nkwu okwu n'ihe anụnwa, enwekana ihe m chọrọ correct. Nenekene na this video.
Ancient Kingdom. Ya ma nsị kemgbe ụwa bidoro aha bụ ndị mbụ ọwa asị ka m tụrụ. Mana onye si na ọwa asị ya gwazie enyi ndị awụ ndị mbụ.
If Jesus came 2,000 years ago and this tree is more than 5,000 years ago, you should know who is the senior.
So, I'm going to go that statement, Abi. You know, go the statement. Osegi, if Jesus came 2,000 years ago and this tree is more than 5,000 years, you should know who is senior. Hey, okay, you're quite at how much is that now? I only hear one day more than equal like this. I will just be looking. I will just begin because I from maybe one was relating to Jesus. But now we hear about Gojuma now. If people say you believe in God, you believe in God. But you know, when the chief was there, that a statement that says, before Abraham, Jesus was. Before Abraham, Jesus was. Also, let us make man. He has been there. John 1 verse 3 always say, in him, nothing made that was made. In him, nothing made that was getting made. Why are you giving reference to Jesus Christ? If Jesus came. So now, if Jesus came 2,000 years and this tree has been there, or when you are saying that Jesus will be, I say that Jesus has been existing from the beginning. From the beginning. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. If you have any reference to it, where will Jesus, when I compare, somebody that his coming was there was a prophecy of his coming more than 1,000 years even before he came, just to redeem man. Just to redeem man. No one just come by cooking no say or Kennedy henka. All in the name of Kewe justify ya. Alusi na cheto mad. I'm not against you, Gan Alusi. If you feel you know the place here, then with the justice. Jebe dear. Man, chief here Bible open. Once again, their sorrow shall multiply. Their sorrow shall multiply. Those who seek forth another God. Once again, their sorrow. So okay, now is not compared to the sorrow that we multiply, because now you have started seeking another God. You have started seeking forth another God. There to an Alusi, if you feel like you want justice again, I'm not against you going to Alusi. I'm not against you praying to nature. Mani will see he chuku keleke. Will you now compare chuku hakeli ha? Will you now compare he chuku keleke? Even no matter no eba no now. If you trace your history, if you begin to trace our history, our generation history, you know that now Osisi had there bah. Somebody kept it there. Somebody kept it there. Because Bible says in the beginning, and the Spirit of God was flowing on top of the water, because the earth is non-void. Everything needed no what but milli. And God created the heaven and earth, separated the earth from the heaven, and formed the firmament that covered this sky in Afunini. Because as can God remove with that firmament, million years why no why I carry. That is why the things you are where the quadia. What are you people even saying? I can't understand this thing. That's one for none of this statement. Arana, but missing him. Gara. Kedu onye chọpụta nu na-eje ekpele osisi tolo onwe ya ekpele? You people have made that tree a god of justice. A na-eji mkpọrọgwụ lopụta ihe mee every other thing a na-eme ka o wee baala mmadụ uru, because everything niile Chukwu kere eke o kere ya to the betterment of we human being, because we as men on this earth, we are created in with the components of the earth. That is why ahụ anyị ji wee bụrụ aja, eze anyị na ọkpụkpụ anyị ji wee bụrụ gịnị okwute, anya mmadụ ji wee bụrụ mmiri, aso mmiri ajikwa wee bụrụ mmiri ntutu anyị niile dị anyị na-ajị wee bụrụ grass dị n'ụwa. What else do you people need to show that now even man is created with the component of the earth? If man can be created with the component of the earth, which means now man has dominion over all those things. Okay, like I said, now we should go and have dominion over everything in okay. And what to hear, but when I will see to long when I compare who is senior or not. Who is senior? In the beginning was the word. In the beginning, in him nothing made that was made. In him, that's the statement. In him nothing made that was made. I don't care. Manebunu malukwa alusi anwa. I keep saying, why not in Bawe de Nunu, Rapom Madu? Teach and them Madu Uruquisia. Unubaya around the candy India, around. A man and a John go in matrimony, because the Bible said in presence of 2 or 3 witnesses a word is established. In presence of 2 or 3 witnesses. So why not be that witnesses? One mother not what cotandable can witness here those things. Can detain him bien. Unu mauza another God. Manunu potasina in a joker. I bondioka. And they quote to Bible agala up and down. They quote to Bible agala up and down. Unasana between Jesus and I'm chief that there is a civilization before Jesus came. Civilization of Pharaoh, civilization of Israel, civilization of those civilizations got on before Jesus came. Unuchefuzie that there is a civilization before Genesis chapter 1. There is a civilization no before Genesis chapter 1. Or do you say in the beginning? In the beginning, there is a beginning before the beginning. Something in Mebu, and the earth was filled with darkness. Something in me, which you and I knows that there is something. Then why are we putting it as if no a generation about the first generation? No. There has been numerous civilizations. People are people ga. Even before Abraham, before then, people are there go ga. Before you look at the generation of Jesus Christ, yourself ga before you went and ka. But you swell. So it's come back because as people carry Trinity in faith, all these things shouldn't get to you and get to your head. Let her go. Worship your God in truth and in spirit. Let her go. Nobody should come and say Osisi or Jesus. So you don't just mix things together. Don't forget, in him nothing made that was made. God.